In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cover to a Trello card. Covers are a simple, powerful way to make your boards clearer and more visual. They help you spot priorities at a glance, keep related tasks consistent, and give your workspace a more polished look. I'll walk you through exactly how I set them up and share a few tips so your cards stay readable and on brand. Start by opening the Trello card you want to style. This takes you to the card back view, where all the details live. On the right-hand side, look for the cover button and click it. That opens the cover menu, which is your control center for everything we're about to customize. First, choose what kind of visual you want. If you want something clean and fast, pick a solid color. This is great for color coding your workflow, like using green to signal completed work, or red to highlight urgent tasks. Keep your color choices consistent across the board so everyone knows what they mean without thinking twice. If you'd like something more eye-catching, use the built-in Unsplash integration. Type in a keyword like teamwork, calendar, or minimal, and browse high-quality, free stock photos. Look for images with simple compositions and enough negative space so your text will still be legible later. This is perfect for giving important projects a distinct visual identity. You can also upload your own image. Click the plus icon in the attachment section or select Upload a Cover Image to add your brand graphics, screenshots, or custom illustrations. Aim for a high-resolution, landscape-oriented image so it looks sharp. Simple patterns, gradients, or lightly textured backgrounds tend to read well on Trello cards. Once you've chosen your image or color, decide how it should display. Header creates a slim banner across the top of the card, back, and keeps the card's details front and center. Full cover fills the entire background of the card back and makes a bold statement. I use header for utility cards, and full cover for key projects or presentations where visuals matter. If you pick full cover, set the card title's text color to light or dark. Choose the option that gives you the highest contrast against your background. Preview the result and make sure the title is instantly readable. Clarity beats style every time. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.